wanted to show autochthonous grapes far away from Tempranillo, something which is as well typical from Spain. And then I wanted to show terroir all over Spain from north to south, passing over Gredos, the central mountain range. And then I wanted to show highland wines, which I consider a new international category, because mountain wines are really something new, and Spain will be one of the most important players.
This event is outstanding, especially the presentation of the wines we had in the morning with Mr. David Schwarzwälder. That was very interesting to know, or to get to know further information about the region, about the producers, how the wines are made in a very, very professional way.
We had 2 or 3 people that I know that are following Spain since at least a decade. But you're right, most of them have some idea, have some clue about Spanish quality winemaking, but the modern evolution they're not following. So I think we had quite a few new stuff for them.
It's excellent to see all these great wines. I'm a great fan of Spanish wines. I spend a lot of time in Spain, and I've seen some wines I didn't know. For example, the Garnacha Blanca I didn't even know about. Also the Monastrell is something that I haven't known too much about, so David's experience was really very valuable.
Spanish wines are very, very good represented in this market. In fact, we have more than 1,000 references of Spanish wines that you can find in Switzerland. This is the market where you can sell the highest middle average price for wines, more than €7, and this is the highest price in the world. It's a place that is very well focused for high quality and small producers of very, very high quality products. As for example, the best wines, the best oil, and the best jam, the best products. And this is a market that also transmits internationally, because there are, for example, the very famous hotelery schools are located in Switzerland.
So the Spanish embassy was asking me last year already if we would host a Spanish chef to make a nice event with Spanish products, and then I said yes, it would be a pleasure to have somebody here from Spain and to cook a four-hands lunch, and so they came and we organized everything, and they brought Jordi Cruz, and that's a big honor to have him here, and he came with the team as well, because I think when you travel as a chef you always take your own team, because otherwise it's impossible to really to bring over the flavors, bring over the quality you want to have.
Lo más interesante es la unión, el poder venir a un país que me gusta mucho, que es Suiza, y la otra, trabajar con un cocinero que me entusiasma, que es Andreas, que tiene una cocina súper elegante, que tiene un equipazo y una casa que es una maravilla. Pues tomar 2 días para cocinar al lado de un cocinero como él y mostrar los productos buenos que tenemos en nuestra tierra y aunarlos con los productos de Suiza, pues es toda una experiencia que vale la pena vivir. Utilizamos productos, mira, pues yo me quedo con los quesos, hemos hecho un platito de quesos, un platito de ibéricos, todo va surgiendo según lo que se nos pide, y en este caso es un menú que no es muy largo, donde aunamos cocina suiza y cocina española, y donde cada uno de nosotros, mínimo un plato, está hecho, pues el cocinero español en este caso hace el plato suizo y a la contra, ¿no? Sencillo.
My favorite Spanish ingredient, there are so many. I mean, I love the jambon, and I love the gamba, the red gamba. Yes, there are so many great products. You know, it's quite an amazing country, and we always love to go to Spain or love to go to Barcelona, to the big cities, also culinary-wise, and they are big names and they are big heroes, and also inspiring. They are inspiring a lot of people, also me as a chef, and that's why I also like to go to Spain.
Todo el mundo nos mira, ¿no? Y todo el mundo intenta hacer una cocina creativa y singular como la nuestra. Si no aprovechamos ese auge para dar un empujón a esos productos que tenemos, que son una maravilla absoluta y que en muchos casos no tienen comparación, no estaremos aprovechando pues un tirón, un momento en que la gastronomía pues está en auge y debemos pues saber posicionar esos ingredientes maravillosos.
I would say the wines are very well known. The jamon is also well known. The olive oil a little bit, because we also have a lot of olive oil from different regions, like in Italy or also Portugal. I think of everything that we have here in Switzerland from Spain, also the nuts, like the different types of nuts and almonds that you have. I think the quality of the products that we have are very high.
It was great, it was wonderful, it was a highlight of the year. I love to eat well, and Caminada is for me a big idol, and I'm very happy to be here this day. Normally in Switzerland we love the Spanish food and we love the Spanish products, oil and wine and the aperitif and all these things. They are very good.
It's nice to see how these two chefs work together, and it's not always very easy to find out who's the chef behind the dish. So we had some discussions on our table. Overall, I have to say, wow, it's really a great experience to enjoy all these dishes. I'm a big fan from Spanish gastronomy. I mean, since Ferran and Adria changed the way we eat, they still in progress, totally innovative. They're looking for different things like sustainability, for I don't know, new ideas to prepare, new techniques to prepare food. For me, still in the world, there is no other country at the moment who is so innovative in the way how they prepare, how they present, and how they reflect food.